You know what's harder than losing money? Harder than starting all over again? Harder than rebuilding your life from rock bottom? It's letting go of the people who helped you put you there. And if fear has ever kept you stuck, or if someone in your life has drained you, used you, or held you back, then this video might be exactly what you need today. Welcome back to Modest Money Matters, where we talk about rebuilding financially, emotionally and mentally. In my last video, I shared how AI helped me save thousands and gave me the confidence to stand up for myself. And today we're going to take a step deeper, because saving money is one thing, saving yourself is another. Fear is the most expensive bill you will ever pay. Fear of disappointing people, fear of being alone, fear of not being enough, fear of starting again, fear of saying no to the people who've taken advantage of you for years. Fear will drain your bank account. It will drain your energy, your peace and your confidence. But here's the truth that I had to learn the hard way. Fear isn't a sign that you're weak. It's a sign that you're overgrown the situation you're in. And outgrowing things hurts. It's uncomfortable. It feels like you're breaking, but sometimes breaking is the beginning of becoming. I won't go too deep into my situation or anything because this video is about you, but here's just a little bit of context. I went through something that made me realize I couldn't rely on the people I thought I could. I felt pushed out, dismissed, taken granted for, and expected just to stay quiet. But at the same time, I was fighting legal battles. I was rebuilding from nothing. I was learning to stand up for myself again. And here's what that situation taught me. Sometimes the people closest to you are the ones that are keeping you smallest. And letting go of them isn't betrayal, it's self-respect. Now, the truth about toxic people is that toxic people don't always look toxic. They can be charming, funny, reliable when they need something, but cruel when you need them. Toxic people do three things really well. They drain you emotionally. You always leave the conversation feeling smaller or drained. They dismiss your needs. Your boundaries annoy them. Your growth threatens them. Your success triggers them. They punish you for changing when you evolve, improve or stand up for yourself. They take it personally. But here's the thing no one tells you. You're not responsible for how people react to your growth. You're responsible for your life and your peace. Here's how I let go without feeling guilty, and I hope you'll be able to gain some knowledge and some insight. Letting go isn't always blocking someone. It's not about exploding or causing any drama or anything like that. It's just much simpler and it's much quieter. One, you can create emotional distance. Stop expecting what they can't give. This alone will change everything. And number two, replace reaction with observation. Don't argue, don't explain your worth. Just watch their behavior and respond with clarity, not emotion. Number three, decide what you need, not what they want. You're not selfish for prioritizing your peace. You're being healthy. Number four, build a forward plan. When your foundation strengthens, your tolerance for toxic people just naturally drops. And here's some actionable steps that you can take away today. Here are real practical steps I took and you can use also. Step number one is use AI. Using AI for emotional clarity, like a prompt saying, help me understand why I feel guilty about letting go of someone who keeps on hurting me. AI will help you untangle that emotion. Step number two, use AI to draft messages to set your boundaries. So let's say someone has messaged you and you want to establish some boundaries, but you don't know how. Because your emotions are running so high, you struggle to form a coherent sentence sometimes. Then let AI, something like ChatGPT or Gemini or Copilot, to draft that message for you, like using a prompt like saying, write a calm and respectful message that sets boundaries with someone without escalating conflict. Step number three, write your non-negotiables down. A list of 3 things that you will not tolerate anymore, and 3 things that you will start building from today. Because that, which leads us to step number 4, the micro routine, the micro actions that you take every day, like let's say for example 5 minutes a day of meditation or something like that, those macro habits have a compounding effect, and that will improve your life, and that can improve your mental health and help you to start rebuilding your life again as well. And step number 5 as well, remind yourself daily, letting go is not losing. Letting go is choosing yourself. And if you're watching this, I want you to hear this clearly. You deserve peace. You deserve respect. You deserve love that doesn't feel like begging. You deserve people who uplift you, not use you. You deserve to build a life that feels like your own. And rock bottom is where rebuild begins. Toxic people just end up falling away when you rise. Fear fades when you move and take action. Don't wait for the right moment or the perfect timing. There is no perfect timing. And if you think that you don't have the confidence, trust me, when you just start taking the small macro steps and actions, that will start building your confidence. And you don't need that confidence from the beginning. Your action leads to confidence. And you right now are strong enough to take the next step. So if you're rebuilding your life, you're letting go of the wrong people, and if you want a community that's focused on growth, confidence, healing, and financial independence, then please do hit that subscribe button. Not because of me, but because of you, because your future deserves this space. You know, just comment below that I choose peace and I'll reply back to you personally. I hope you found value in this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.